Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You will start by opening Terminal. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus T or find Terminal in Activities. Once open, check which shell you have with echo $shell so you know how config files behave. Next, make sure package lists are current by running sudo apt update. This prevents installing outdated packages. While this runs, you can navigate to your project folder using cd/documents or ls to list files. These first steps set the environment so subsequent commands behave predictably. Now you will manipulate files and permissions. Use lslat to see hidden files and permission bits. Read the RWX flags to know who can do what. Once done, change into the target directory with cd path / to / folder and confirm location with pwd. To modify files, open an editor like nano or use sudo nano file name when root access is required. Make sure to save. If a script needs execution, run chmod plus x script, sh so you can run it directly as /script, sh. Complete tasks by installing tools and verifying services. Use sudo apt install package name and follow prompts. Once installed, run binaries or scripts as /program or check services with systemtool status name. Service. Make sure to use sudo only when necessary. If something goes wrong, read the terminal output carefully to see errors, then check logs in /var/log or use journoctl z for systemd errors. If permission issues persist, recheck chmod or ownership with sudo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.